In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship on eBay from Amazon using an easy method. This process is ideal for those looking to start a business without having to handle inventory. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to find winning products on Amazon. Begin by heading over to Amazon.com. Here, your task is to search for items that have potential for good sales. Look for products with prime shipping availability, as this ensures faster delivery, which is a selling point for eBay buyers. Check the reliability of the seller by reviewing their ratings and feedback. It's advisable to opt for third-party sellers when possible to avoid Amazon-branded packaging. This way, the product appears more neutral and not directly sourced from Amazon. Let's look at a quick example to help you understand potential earnings. Say an item is selling on eBay for $49.99 and you find it on Amazon for $32.99. Accounting for an eBay fee of approximately 13% or 6 to 55 cents. In this case, your profit would be around $10.50 per sale. Calculating potential profit before listing is crucial. Now, it's time to list your selected products on eBay. You have the option to do this manually or automate the process using software. For manual listing, go into your eBay account, navigate to the Seller Hub, and select Listings. Then create listing. Next, copy the product title, images, and description from Amazon. Make sure to tweak the title for SEO purposes by adding keywords that are likely to attract potential buyers. Price your item by setting a markup, typically between 20 and 40% over Amazon's price, ensuring your profits are covered after fees. Choose the standard shipping option and set a handling time of 3 business days to align delivery expectations with Amazon's Prime service. Once you're satisfied with the details, save and publish your listing. Handling orders efficiently is key. When a sale is made on eBay, you'll receive a notification in your Seller Hub. Go back to Amazon, purchase the same item, but this time enter your buyer's name and address for shipping. Amazon will send the product directly to your eBay customer, while you keep the price difference as your profit. If you're using automation tools like AutoDS or DSM Tool, they can handle ordering and tracking updates for you, making the process even smoother. After Amazon ships the item, copy the tracking number from your Amazon order and input it into eBay under Orders to add tracking number. If you're using automation tools, this step is done automatically, allowing your buyers to track their packages in real time. Customer service is the heartbeat of maintaining a good relationship with buyers. If a customer requests a return, ask them to send the product back to your Amazon return address. Alternatively, request a return label from Amazon. Once you receive the return, process the refund on Amazon and then issue a refund on eBay. A helpful tip is to always communicate as your eBay brand without mentioning Amazon to maintain professionalism and customer trust. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully dropship on eBay from Amazon and potentially build a thriving online business.